This 1 5 and this 1 5 can cancel each other out. So we have just 10 divided by 5, which equals 2. But this answer is not correct. First of all, we need to convert these two mixed numbers to improper fractions. Okay? 10 times 5 gives us 50. And 50 plus 1 over 5 divided by 5 times 5 gives us 25, and 25 plus 1 over 5. Okay, 50 plus 1 gives us 51, and over 5 divided by 26. 25 plus 1 gives us 26. So 26 divided by 5. Now, this fraction divided by this fraction. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, 51 over 5. Change division to multiplication and flip the second fraction, 5 over 26. Now, this 5 and this 5 can cancel each other out. So we have 51, okay, 51 over 26. Okay, now let's convert this improper fraction to a mixed number. 51 can be written as 26 plus 25 and over 26. 26 divided by 26 gives us 1. So 1 and 25 over 26. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 1 and 25 over 26.